Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jen reading for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, and Rising for the month of November. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can request a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget it's general reading, so if it's not resonating, please don't try to fit it deliberately. Remember, my readings are for Sun, Moon, and Rising, so if you want to dive deep into the realm of astrology, find out your rising, find out your moon, and then you will be able to dive deep into the realm of astrology. Let me see what's up with I'm an Aquarius Sun, guys. I'm super excited for this reading. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of November. That's my dog, and he just started barking when we started recording this video. Please tell me how beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of November. Please tell me how beautiful Aquarius Sun. Oh my God, I'm just Aquarius, I do see that for the longest time, this is a very stuck and confused energy that I'm sensing over here. A lot of you maybe, are stuck on people that really, not people, this was a particular person that you were involved with, even though in the physicality of things you have really moved on. I do see somewhere or the other it still controls, whatever, the kind of disharmony that you went through in that equation, it somewhere or the other still controls your behavior. So I do see that behavior wise nothing has changed. So say suppose if that person was manipulative, that person was really gaslighting you, or if that person wasn't really pleasant to your senses. I do see that some of you have moved on from that space, but at the same time mentally you're still pretty much there. So every time if a new opportunity comes in, if a new person comes in, you are somewhere or the other viewing that person with the lens of the past, and that's clearly not working really well for you all. So Aquarius, stop doing that. New people do not deserve burn of the people that our exes, whatever they did to us. Some of you I do see are extremely confused passion wise. I do see for the longest time you guys have been really planning to like sow a seed. You guys have been really planning to move forward in a particular direction. Maybe there has been some passion of yours which you have started working on, and now you do see that okay, you have successfully completed like so and so steps, and now to move to a better stage you need to do certain things about it. So I do see that some of you are really contemplating that. Some of you could be traveling, heavy traveling in the month of November. I do see that coming, guys. Mainly for work purposes. Some of you could be really traveling to see somebody that you're interested in or see somebody that you love. So I also see that coming. Aquarius, I'm sensing from this reading that a lot of you are blocking your own blessings. A lot of you, right now you're not living up to your full potential. Right now you are sort of realizing that there is so much that you can do out of the resources that you have and out of the opportunities and the kind of platform that you have. But at the same time, you're being lazy, you're sort of wasting your time, and you're not really making the best use of everything. Again, this is all how we go about it. If we have the right platform, if we have the right skill, if we have the right resources, then it's up to us. How do we how do we exploit that resource and that skill of ours to its highest potential? So again, that's something that you guys got to work on, Aquarius. I would like to clarify why is the death in reverse. Can you please clarify why is the death in reverse? Please clarify why is the death in reverse. Please clarify why is the death in reverse. I do see Aquarius. See, for some of you Aquarians are stuck in an unhealthy business partnership, like a partnership that's disharmonious, a partnership that really requires you to, go against everything that you are. I do see that some of you are just realizing that maybe uh, you all are feeling emotionally all over the place, really, really burdened. Some of you have actually given a lot to this partnership, work wise, and some of you had really thought in your mind that this will be it. This is how I'm going to create an empire for myself. This is how I'm going to become King of Pentacles. But I do see that the same partnership has left you feeling really, really depressed. It's left you feeling like now you have nowhere to go. So maybe the clear picture is that you had prioritized this one project or something that you were working on for the longest time, and you had left everything aside, but you were prioritizing this. And now that this has turned out to be disharmonious, maybe this was a business in partnership, or maybe somebody that you loved and you really partnered with them to work something out. So all of that has come falling apart, and now you really don't know how to balance this whole situation out. So for some of you, I'm catching that as well. Aquarius, if this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. Towards the end of this video, I will give you the outcome for the month of November, and I'll also pull out some advice cards for you guys. Please dive deep into the dealing with a fire sign, could be a Sagittarius or an Aries. Please dive deep into the emotional person, Aquarius and Pisces. Could be an earth sign as well, could be a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Could be any sign as far as elements go. I do see Aquarius, as much as this person, this person definitely views you as somebody who's extremely hot, who's extremely appealing. This person looks at you as somebody, who's really capable of, leading, ruling. And at the same time, the person that you guys are dealing with is somebody who's extremely calculative as far as their giving is concerned. And no matter, this person carries a lot of passion for you. This person carries a lot of hots for you. They definitely want to have sex with you. I can see that clearly. But at the same time, this person is really sort of think that if they really expose all of the passion that they have for you, you may just get overwhelmed, or you may just not really take it well. So this person is really holding back. Like, there is insane amount of passion that this person carries. Like, they find you extremely hot. They really look at you as someone that they always wanted, and they just, like, they love looking at you, and they want to offer like a lot of things to you. But at the same time, I do see that this person sort of feels that maybe if they just expose it all, there are high chances of them getting rejected by you, or they are just probably guarded and they don't want to really show it all, and they just feel that, for this person, expression is weakness. Like, that's how they perceive it, that if they're going to express their interest too much, it's going to make them look weak or it's going to make them look vulnerable. So this person is extremely calculative with all that they're doing. Like some of them could be taking like say particular number of hours before replying to a text of yours so that they don't look desperate. So I do see that the person that you guys are dealing with carries really like they find you extremely hot and they want to spend like a lot of great time with you, but at the same time this person is being calculative because they are sort of guarded. But yes, I do see that this person stalks you a lot and this person keeps looking at you and this person really wants to offer you a lot of things. Like it's like a great good crush that they've got on you. I want to clarify why is Nine of Wands in reverse. Please clarify why Nine of Wands in reverse. Oh god. We're dealing with a Gemini. Yes, this person really wants to, Aquarius, this person really wants to offer you genuine love. This person really wants to offer you settlement. And this person, has been thinking about it. This person is, first of all, thinking, are their finances in place so that they can offer you the kind of world that you come from? And at the same time, I also do see that even if, like, no matter what they want to offer, this person is extremely guarded. They are very defensive, like very scared of getting caught. I clearly see that. I want to clarify why Six of Pentacles here. Aquarius, I do see that some of you could also be feeling breadcrumbed by somebody. I'm also getting that message that some of you could literally be feeling like someone's breadcrumbing you, someone's just like investing enough to keep your interest on hook, but not really doing anything about it. This person could be doing this because, in the past they have been hurt. In the past, wherever they have offered their emotions, they have been drained. So this person doesn't have much to offer. If someone's breadcrumbing us, that's what they have to offer. If someone's like giving a full meal to us, that's what they have to offer. So you need to know what you want to sign up for. That's your call, whatever you would like to sign up for. For some of you Aquarius, I do see that this person is not very confident. Like I do see that maybe in the past this person somewhere or the other was left out in cold. For others of you, I'm getting this message that this person really sees you as somebody out of their league, and this person just sort of feels that they are not enough for you. Basically, that's how they look at you. For some of them, this person could be feeling like they're moving towards you, like in their mind they could be moving towards you, they could be building up strategies to be with you, but they are still standing at the same place for a long period of time. Basically, this person doesn't really know how to really express their emotions, etc. So I do see that for a lot of you guys. Aquarius, if this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button, and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. Aquarius, see, for some of you, I'm clearly seeing that you're about to find out some secrets about somebody. For some of you, I'm seeing these cups are going to be spilled. For some of you, I'm seeing that you're going to really find out that this person is extremely secretive, and like this person carries like a lot of turmoil, and that's why this person is extremely guarded. So some of you are just like going to walk off from this equation. I want to clarify what is going on here. Just clarify. For others of you Aquarius, I do see that some of you, I'm seeing that there could be a conversation happening wherein, it will be a little bit of an argument, I do see. Wherein you are going to let this person know that this how I want this equation to work, and if not, you can walk off, or we can walk off, or we can just like probably end this. I do see that the month of November, you guys are going to find out there are going to be a lot of revelations happening, and you're going to get enough data basis which you can like come to a conclusion and a decision. I do see that you are going to find out the root cause of why this person is guarded, why this person doesn't express. I do see that you guys are going to get to know all of this. But I definitely see a conversation happening where you guys are going to really constructively think as to how you can work this out and how you can probably settle down together if this person is really interested in you. And you're really going to find out the reasons of their breadcrumbing. Some of you are going to really find out that, whatever makes them who they are. I'm now going to pull out advice cards for you, Aquarius. Please tell me what's the advice for you. So sure. Please give me advice for you. The best advice for the Aquarius, advice for you guys for the month of November is you do you. Keep being you. Keep being the hot person that you are. Keep really taking care of yourself, and you guys already are in a place where you're putting on yourself in a pedestal. Keep up there. The consequence of this is going to be that you guys should be harsh where you have to be harsh, and pleasant where you have to be pleasant. Give flowers to people who deserve flowers, and really like a fucking smack to the ones who really mess with you on any levels. So that's the advice for you guys. And the advice for you is also to be observant. Do not take everything at face value. Do not take everything as as how the other person is trying to display. The advice for you is to be just observant, be silent, be graceful, be your hot self, be the king or the queen that you are. And Aquarius, I do see that you guys are extremely really intuitive. You guys are very much connected to the universe. You guys are very much have the great manifestation skills. So just make a use of all of that. Listen to your gut, listen to your intuition. This is it for the month of November, guys. I will see you guys. I hope it resonated. Please let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys next week.